Want to build a snowman? Watch this! Sticker book!
12 seconds later.
Mama, Papa!
I know where we have to go.
Cuties, I'm gonna keep you.
I recommend we remove the head.
Or ride our bike around the halls.
Just calm down.
No, don't touch me. Please. I'll hurt you.
There'll be actual real-life people. It'll be totally strange. I'm in for
And I'm going to love you in my belly.
nothing like the life I've lived
So long, Bowser!
so far. I'm in forever.
My lady. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Get off of me! Get off of me!
Love is an open
Can I say something?
The party is over. Close the gates.
Are you so afraid? I said enough! Elsa!
Fire!
That's once again true! For all except you!
Let me rephrase that.
You got me.
Take me up the North Mountain. We leave now.
– 12 seconds later.
Jump, Stan!
Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve.
Almost.
It was like my whole life got turned upside down.
Do you think you could show us the way?
Yeah, why? How does this work? Work. Ow! Stop it!
Get some help.
And imagine what it'd be like when summer dust.
Elsa? Anna? It's me.
You have to apologize. But you should. Olaf?
You built me. Remember that?
No.
Hi, how are you?
One,
You tell me when I'm ready to go.
two.
I was born ready, yes.
Calm down.
Hey, you were like a pillow.
You okay?
Thank you.
But you'll get it. They're fine. They mean well.
Kristoff, gotta go.
No, Anna, wait!
Trolls. They're trolls.
Anna! Oh no. Ooh, but don't touch it. It's like, you know, how Kristoff brought you back here to Hans and left you forever. It's Kristoff and Sven! They're coming back this way! We made it! Go, 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 go!
So long, Bowser.
No.
12 seconds later. Get off of me!
It's 10 to 10, isn't it? It's 10 to 10.
"12 seconds later.
You sacrifice.
Olaf, hang on, little guy.
Hi, how are you?
Get some help.
Come on.
Okay, here I come.
Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's